Imagine running your entire online business without limits, without ever paying a cent. Everything you need is completely free, forever. With this powerful free system, you can manage up to 2,000 contacts, giving you room to grow your customer base effortlessly. You can send unlimited emails for free, ensuring your audience stays informed and engaged at no cost. Create up to 3 sales funnels with 15 steps, guiding your customers smoothly from start to finish, all for free. Whether you're selling products or services, this is the free tool to build trust and generate conversions. And it doesn't stop there. You can even build a blog with unlimited posts, allowing you to share your expertise and content as much as you want, totally free. If you're offering a course, there's no limit to the number of students you can reach. And again, it's all free. Need to manage a community? No problem. This system lets you build a community with no member restrictions, so you can grow and interact with your audience freely, for free. Store as many files as you need, automate key tasks to save time, and even integrate with Google Sheets, all for free. Plus, you get one tag, one email campaign, and one workflow to streamline your communication, completely free. This isn't just another tool. It's the ultimate, complete solution that helps you solve business problems, manage growth, and stay connected with your audience, all for free. You simply can't afford to miss out on this amazing free opportunity.